Hi, so this video is for editing documents on Google Classroom. So once you've clicked on your class page, go to class and then choose which one you want to go to. So I'm going to do science, and then I'm going to click on the first one, and I'm going to click on that one. Sorry, not that one, that one's something else. I'm going to click on the second one because that's talking about the polar bears activity. So I'm going to open that with Google Docs, and then once it's opened, you can do your research around the polar bear, find out about where it lives, about what they eat, and how they survive. So you can write a little bit about the polar bears for each one. If the things move around, you can just move that back up so it's in the right place. So polar bears live in the North Pole in the Arctic. Okay, so once you've done that, you can rename it if you like. You don't have to rename it, you can do if you want, but then you can just click X, click off it, and then go back and you can add from Google Drive what you've just done. It will save automatically, so it'll be there. That's what you've just written on. Obviously you will have written a lot more than I have, but after that's uploaded, you can click hand in. Okay, and again, if you want to add any private comments to me or Mr. Obman, you can do that here. Any comments you make here will be public to the rest of the class.